Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. I've been meaning to do this from quite some time, so here I am finally. I'm recreating one of the most loved creations on my Instagram, so I thought I will just share with you as a thank you. So here I'm just showing you all the products. So I'm going to use this Molotow white, and then I'm using this super simple cutter by Martha Stewart, and this is listed in my Amazon favorites on my Instagram. And then I will be using one of the Metallics brush pens by Karen Markers. So I'm just gonna pick one color. Let's take purple, and yes, I'm speeding up this video just a little bit so that it's not too long, so it's just 2 times faster. And now I will just quickly show you my black notebook by Archer and Olive, and we will make this today. And I have made several other projects on this, but we are gonna make the wreath today because you guys loved it. So yes, let's get started. So you guys, firstly, you don't necessarily have to have all these products that I'm using here. You just need a black paper, you just need something that can make circles, and any white pen and any brush pen basically. So here I'm going to draw my circles. I'm going to make 3 circles. So this is the biggest one that I've made, and then I'm going to go a few inches down and I'm going to make one more circle. And now the last one on the inside. And here we have our 3 circles, and I've messed up with the middle one, so it's okay, we can fix that with a black pen, like that. And now this is first part. So we've made 3 circles now. Now we're gonna start building up a wreath in a very simple way. So you have this brush tip which will help you make your even strokes. So you just have to do is just put your pen like that and just push it a little bit. That's it. That's all you have to do. So I'll just zoom in a little bit and show you. Just put your pen and press. Just make sure that your tip touches the circle, and then you just have to push it down a little bit depending upon how thick you want your leaf to be. So that's all with our wreath. That's all you have to do. You just have to keep repeating the same thing over and over and make your leaves like that, and it will give you a beautiful pattern. And just be careful not to smudge that. And now I've just written what I want to write inside, and I always do it first with the pencil, and then I will use the same pen I drew the circles with, and I'm gonna write karma in this one. Lastly, we're gonna do some faux calligraphy. If you guys don't know what that is, it's basically we have to make our downstrokes thicker with the pen because we are not using a brush pen. This is a fine tip pen, so that's why the downstrokes and the upstrokes, they look all identical. But if you have thicker downstrokes and thinner upstrokes, your letters, they stand out and they look more pretty. So that's what I'm doing here now. And that's it. That was all actually. This is, I think, a very simple wreath, and I wanted to share with you all because it's so simple. You can do it at home with very minimal supplies, and you can create this. It's so much fun, and it looks very pretty, and I just wanted to share with you all. Please, if you recreate this, do share with me. I would love to see that, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.